guys.
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Yay!
Have you seen? It won't sound the same to me anymore.
Akia, please make me coffee if it's okay.
It's okay.
Lena, go back coffee.
Making a snack bowl. Don't eat it in people. Daddy. They'll taste like cheese curls.
I know. Yeah, it's called Cheetos for a reason. No, because it's made of Cheetah toes.
Okay, enough for lunch tomorrow. Birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
37.
9. Una 1. Una 2. Una 3. Una 37.
Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Thank you, everybody. Happy birthday, mommy.
Let's hear the speech. Why is it on? Speech.
Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for enjoying my birthday with me, guys. That's it. I don't have much to say.
More speech.
Word of the day.
I got a word of the day. Come, put me on your back. Yo. Wait, man. Okay, I just want to say that the word of the day is just like the wind. Your mentality can change easily. Yeah.
Cut the cake.
He had a good day. And everything's okay. It's his birthday.
Yeah.
He knows what to do. And since he's the birthday boy, he gets to cut the cake. And we surprise him. We do everything for him because he loves us.
DJ's next.
Yes. Everyone can go.
I started this trend. I started this trend. Thank you, Uncle, because you've been the world to me. Thank you for making plans for me. If it wasn't for you, I would have
I wouldn't be born.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good.
Caesar, do you want to say something?
Say something.
Amaya, come on. He's your dad, so.
He's their dad.
So,
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
salute.
Yo. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, all of you.
It's a motaubb. I did not write the blues in the ghetto. Neither did I build the deep
And I encourage black men to love loudly. Love your ladies loudly. That's your wife. Love her loudly. Ladies, so you see she's spicy.
It's a village, it's a child of the village. We've brought up so many people, and every one of you guys who are here, and I know what your knowledge is. So
thank you very much, as always, Dr. Spiso Falada. He also yeah. All the way in
Hey, get some fish. Hey, yeah.
Hello. Vlog. Hello, vlog. We are on our way to buy fat cakes with the family in Soweto. What's the time? 10:40. I don't think we'll still get them.
We shall see. We are hungry.
There's a squad.
I can do a bubble. Wait, I'm reading a book. Look.
Metro FM Top 30, and you're listening to the voice of Dineo Ranaga on the airwaves from
Come up
9
Greens.
till 12.
Okay, man.
You down from number 30 all the way to number 1.
Hello. What are you reading there? How far are you now? What page are you on? You started all over again.
Yes, because of that other time I did not finish it, and I just left the book alone, and then I started again.
Okay. Is it interesting? Do you like it?
And I saw them at exclusive books, but I also want to get Dogman.
Dogman series?
Yes.
The books. Cool, we'll make a plan.
And Captain Underpants.
Which one?
Captain Underpants.
Come. Yes. The goods.
The thing is in Mommy's bag.
Yeah?
It's in Mommy's bag.
She says it's in the bag.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. Cook it. Oh. What?
Show the vlog what is mommy doing.
Where is it? Hey, wait, now where you are,
Mommy's gonna be.
it's your alarm clock from now on.
No, you know how I know.
Mang, will you suck iron?
I want a suit. I want to pick wisely.
She wants to pick wisely.
I've already got on.
In a salad.
Aziz, are you taking that? Put it there if you're taking it. Some other stuff.
Internet. It's given 4x4.
Now watch me pop up again. My flow flow, now watch me sweep up these ends.
We off again. It's a brunch. It's a brunch or lunch? It's lunch now.
Now it's lunch.
Now it's lunchtime.
It's like 2 o'clock. You can take the safety belt.
Yes. Safety belts on?
No.
Not yet.
I knew you guys were gonna. Yeah, you heard us.
Yo, today. Happy birthday to you.
Oh,